This is the video introduction to Lesson 5, Practice with the Resistor Color Code. As you're probably aware, resistors are in almost every electronic device, and technicians and engineers deal with them every day. Knowing how to use the resistor color code is a good skill to have, and so in this lesson you are going to practice with it so you become more proficient. I personally have it memorized because I use it every day. Here are 5 resistors that we are going to use in our practice with the color code. Notice that they each have 4 color bands. The first resistor has the colors in order from left to right of brown, black, brown, gold. Converting the colors to numbers would give us 1, 0, 1, with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. That means 10 followed by 1 0. So what is the nominal value in ohms of this resistor? You should answer 100 ohms with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. Now let's look at the next one. We have brown, black, red, gold. That gives us 1, 0, 2 with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. So what is the nominal value in ohms of this resistor? You should get 10 followed by 2 zeros, or 1,000 ohms, or 1K ohms. The color bands of the third resistor are brown, blue, red, and gold. That gives us 1, 6, 2, with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. Therefore, the nominal value of this resistor is 16 followed by 2 zeros, or 1600 ohms, or 1.6K ohms. Resistor number 4 in our practice has the colors red, black, brown, and gold. That gives us 2, 0, 1, with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. So what is the nominal value of this resistor? 20 followed by 1 0. That gives us 200 ohms. The color bands on this last resistor in this practice lesson are orange, orange, black, gold. That gives us 3, 3, 0 with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. And that gives us a resistance value of 33 followed by no zeros. So we have 33 ohms. Now, what I would like you to do next is complete the fill-in answers on activity page 5B in your manual, and then you'll be ready to go to the video introduction to lesson 6 of this lab.